I received this lavender massage oil from M3 Naturals in exchange for an honest review. This oil contains many ingredients which are known to hydrate and moisturize the skin. The oil is also infused with collagen and stem cells, which also have many added benefits. So my first impression of this oil is that it smells so good. In my opinion, it is best to apply it when you are exiting the shower or the bathtub and just lightly rub it into your skin while it is still a little damp. A little goes a long way, so I would advise to use the pump that they give you so you don't waste too much product. As far as the packaging, the bottle did come sealed, which was nice, so I know that the product hadn't been tampered with. I've only been using this product for a couple of weeks, so I don't have dramatic before and after pictures. However, I do plan to update this review in the future. The last thing I wanted to add is that this is a product that would suit both men and women. So yeah, I give it a thumbs up.